My name is Sharon Young. I work at Quarry Hall Care Home. I am the Activities Coordinator and also the Residential House Manager. We try to bring everything into this care home to keep our residents active and their minds active and keep them in touch with the community as well. The last thing we want is to see them sat in a chair doing nothing. We're lucky, most of our residents enjoy activities and they tell us what they want to do, so we fall into line with them. The exercise keeps them fit, keeps them agile and subtle, helps with their joints and whatever. But doing the exercise also keeps their minds and their body active, and it's also good socially for them because they're mixing with other people from other houses.
My name's Janet Dewis. I'm 21 and a bit, and I live here. I have now for 4 years, and lots of the people who come into the home are rather startled when we have exercises because it's not something you do at home, is it? I mean, I wouldn't be home cocking my legs up like this, would I, and stamping and all things like that. That is quite a shock when they come in here, but it doesn't take long for them to join in, and it's laughable, it's fun, make it fun. I do not want to sit in a chair like this. A little old lady that's got no conversation, that will never be, and not interested in anything. I want to know what's going on in the world.
I'm Brian Jones and been here for about 2 years. The exercises involve the neck and the arms and the fingers and the legs and the feet, a bit of everything really. They help to loosen us up and of course tending to sit a fair amount, it is good for preventing you from getting too stiff.
Should we walk down to the end? Each section of the corridor has its own name, so it makes it more person-centred, so that rather than just saying, I live in Quarry Hall, I live in Quarry Hall, I live in number 10 Lavender Lane, and it's more personal for them, and it's their own address. We've got a bus stop there with the bench. We've actually got stalls where we've got sensory fruit and vegetables, so that it's stimulating them all the time. We've got rummage boxes. In one alcove, I've set up Elder Ogden ducks on the wall. We've got an ironing board there so that some of the ladies love to sit down and iron because it's basic skills that they've always had. And it's letting them do the things that they've always done. And they absolutely love it. We're not de-skilling them. They're not sat down in chairs and, doing nothing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
My name's Iwan Roberts and I work for the Older People's Charity Age Cymru. People possibly only find out about care homes and life in care homes if it affects them personally, which is why we feel it's very important that a project such as the Big Care Home Conversation takes place to raise public awareness of life inside care homes, what it's actually like, the fulfilling lives that people have, the fantastic activities that take place, and the happy lives that people lead when they're living in care homes. People need to be able to do the things they did before they moved into homes. People need to be able to keep the same hobbies they had, to be the same people they were outside before they moved into care homes. This is why it's important that there's a range of activities available so that people are able to lead rich, fulfilling lives, to do the things that they want to do.